It's been fun. I'm grateful that I was the one to discover your name, so I could kill you myself.
Yes? Hello?
What do you mean, hello?
Oh, is that you, Light? I guess someone must have dropped this phone in all of the commotion earlier on.